How do machine learning models actually learn from data? The answer lies in a surprisingly elegant algorithm called gradient descent. Imagine you're lost in foggy mountains and need to reach the lowest valley. You can only feel the slope beneath your feet. In machine learning, this landscape is your loss function. The height represents how wrong your model's predictions are. The gradient is simply the slope at your current position. It points in the direction of steepest increase. To minimize loss, we move in the opposite direction of the gradient. The learning rate controls how big steps we take. Gradient descent repeats 3 simple steps until it converges to the minimum. Choose your learning rate carefully. Too small, and you'll crawl slowly. Too large, and you might overshoot the target. Watch gradient descent find the minimum of this function. Notice how it takes larger steps when the slope is steep. Gradient descent is how neural networks learn. By following the slope downhill, models automatically find better parameters. That's gradient descent in action. Subscribe for more machine learning fundamentals that actually make sense.